everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I'm going to show you the Christmas gifts that we made for family members. I have these already set up in the little sections of what everybody's going to get, so I'll flip through a couple of these. You guys know, if you've watched any of my recent videos, I did these 100% digitally with the Project Life app, and then I let Olivia help me embellish these. I was actually going to work on these while she went off and started playing stickers or something. And I thought, oh, I'll bring these down to the table and work on these while she's, keeping herself occupied. And as soon as she saw me pulling out, scrapbook things, she wanted to help. And she helped me with every single one of these. I did have to direct her to make sure they didn't go off the edge. And they also couldn't cover up other people. So we worked together to pick out what things fit where. And she got to stick them all down and she loved it. And at first I thought, oh, I don't want her to help me with this. I want to get it done really quickly. And I wanted them to look really nice and get them mailed out. But then I thought, these are for grandparents, great-grandparents, aunts and uncles. I figured the family members would like it done by her way more than done by me. And so I let her help, and she stuck down, I think, every one of these little embellishments here and there. And I also made these for the grandparents. They're just the little Christmas ornaments. I think I showed these in a recent video as well. It's just her little Christmas photo from this year, and it does have the 2018 on it, so they can hang that on their tree. I'm gonna get these mailed out tomorrow. I'm gonna package them up tonight. So I just wanted to show you guys everything. I used just whatever I had. For this page, it's all, I think, just freckled fawn things, some resin shapes, some of those little doily acetate things, and hopefully I have room to show you guys both sides of these. Yes, I skipped last year, so I've got 2017 here as the front and back of this, plus the Christmas layout. And then I move into 2018 and just share a few photos here and there. I also wanted to do a full vacation spread because most people who are getting these are actually a part of the vacation, and so I wanted to make sure to include that. Again, all these little embellishments were done by Olivia. Some of these are doodlebugs. Some of them are like little Target section things that we picked up. A lot of older stuff from Freckled Fawn and various kits that I've had just forever. I just pulled out all the fall and Halloween things for some of these. So this is the last page here with, oops, that one folded over. See, it's a good thing I double checked everything. We folded that one over. So we ended up sticking on some little stars here and there, some more Christmas things, little pumpkins. And so that's the first set. They're all kind of done in the same way with a couple of embellishments in the same spots because we just kind of batch did things when we were doing Christmas. We just put all the Christmas ones on, and then we moved on to summertime, then Easter, things like that. So we got Easter, summertime, a couple of things for the birthday pictures here and there. And that's just really the same old thing the whole way through. So everybody's going to get the same pictures with a little bit different embellishments. But that's just how it is. So they're just very simple, very easy, and the grandparents care more about the photos and the writing than the embellishments, but I know that they will love that Olivia helped do these. And so that's what they look like. It was just worlds easier doing it this way versus other years, so I will definitely be sticking to this. I love that I could just add the photos in, have them all printed, and print the quantity that I needed. Some of these I didn't need for my own album, but there are a few that I did make for my own album as well, like these ones. I have both of these in our album for the year. And so I really like how they turned out. I love that she wanted to help me with them. It just made me so happy to sit there with her and actually work on scrapbooking together. She is one of those kids that really listens for the most part. So she listened when I was saying, okay, make sure it's staying on the edge. When she was like going off the edge, she would move it over before she stuck it down. We did have to peel up a couple just because they were hanging off the edge or covering pictures. But for the most part, she really tried to listen and do things really carefully, which I appreciated, and it was a really fun thing to do together. So it's one of those things as a parent, like, yes, it would have been quicker to do it myself, and yes, it would have looked a whole lot neater and nicer, but at the end of the day, she was so proud of it, and the grandparents and family members are just gonna love that she helped put these together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also want to show you guys, it is the 13th, so I am getting these out on time this year. It hasn't happened in a few years. Like last year, I sent out just Christmas cards with photos, and I'm like, I just can't do the scrapbooking this year. And years before that, it seemed like I was always late. And this year, I'm gonna be on time. So it was really great to get them done digitally and be able to get them sent out. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.